All right, we're going to see if we can say all these sounds without making a mistake. So you're going to say it, and I'm just going to move the pointer, and then I'm going to say it to make sure that you got it right. And if you didn't, then I just want you to pause the video, practice that sound until you've got it right, and then you can move on. All right, so think. That means you're going to look at what's on the line, say it in your head, and then when I say get ready and move my finger under it, you're going to say it. So think, get ready. Hopefully you said, ah. Good job. All right, think, get ready. And again, hopefully you said, ah. All right, next one, don't get tricked. Think, get ready. All right, the sound is mm. Think, get ready. Good. Ah. Last one, think, get ready. Way to say mm. All right, did you make any mistakes? If not, great job. If you did, that's okay. Just keep practicing. All right, boys and girls, we're going to do this. And basically, when my pointer finger is here, you're going to have your hands in your lap. And then when I move under a picture, you're going to do exactly what the picture shows. And then when I move to the next picture, you'll do exactly what that picture shows. And then when I pop it all the way back to the beginning, your hands will be back in your lap. So let's see if you can do it. Get ready. Did you do it? When my pointer was under here, did you have your finger pointing to your nose and hold it there until I moved here, and then was your hand on top of your head until I popped it back, and then were your hands in your lap? All right, let's try it one more time. Get ready. Nice job. All right, here's the sound we're going to practice next. I want you to just listen to me. Don't do anything, just listen and watch. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. All right, I'm going to do it again. My turn, just listen. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. All right, it's your turn. Get ready. Nice job saying all right, your turn again. Get ready. Yes. Nice job being a snake today.